Hey everybody, welcome back. You know, people think you gotta be some kind of outlaw to really push the limits with your car. But that's not true. There are so many awesome mods out there that'll turn heads without landing you in hot water with the fuzz. If you're passionate about pushing the boundaries of what cars can do and look like, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up with the most amazing car content. Now, let's jump into these jaw-dropping yet completely legal car mods. Alright, let's talk underglow. You remember that crazy trend back in the day? Cars lit up like a disco floor, right? Well, guess what? It's still cool. And the best part? In most places, it's totally legal. Now, I'm not talking about blinding everyone on the road with enough wattage to power a small city. We're talking about tasteful, subtle lighting that gives your car that extra bit of personality. You know, like a little wink as you cruise down the boulevard. Just be smart about it. Check your local laws, avoid colors that might be confused with emergency vehicles, and you're good to go. Now, who remembers the lowrider scene? Cars bouncing up and down like they were on hydraulics. Well, get this. You can actually have that on your car legally. That's right, hydraulic suspension systems are A-OK, as long as they meet safety standards and don't block your view. Imagine this. You're cruising down the street, hit a button, and your car starts doing the wave. Talk about making an entrance. Of course, safety first, folks. Make sure the system is installed by a professional and meets all the regulations. But once you're good to go, get ready to bounce your way into car show stardom. Okay, buckle up because this one's a real showstopper. We're diving into the world of exhaust flame kits, a must-have for any car enthusiast looking to add a bit of flair to their ride. Ever wanted to feel like you're driving a rocket ship? Imagine the thrill of not just hearing the roar of your engine but also seeing flames shoot out from your exhaust. Well, now you can, at least visually, with exhaust flame kits. These kits are designed to give your car that extra edge, making it look like a beast on the road. That's right, you can legally make your car shoot flames. It's like having a piece of a movie set right in your driveway. These kits are installed in your exhaust system and create bursts of fire on command. The installation process is straightforward, but it's always best to have a professional handle it to ensure everything is set up correctly. Now I know what you're thinking. Jay, isn't that a little dangerous? And you're right, it can be if not used properly. And you're right, it can be. Safety is paramount when dealing with anything that involves fire. That's why it's crucial to use these kits responsibly. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines and never use them in public streets or areas where it could pose a risk to others. Stick to off-road areas or designated events where it's safe to let those flames fly. These environments are controlled and designed for such displays, ensuring everyone's safety. Trust me, nothing beats the feeling of hitting the gas and seeing a plume of fire erupt from your tailpipe. It's an adrenaline rush like no other, and it definitely turns heads. So if you're looking to add some excitement to your driving experience, exhaust flame kits might just be the perfect addition to your car. Let's talk about making a statement on the road. Now, a fresh paint job is always nice, but what if you could change your car's look as easily as changing your clothes? That's where custom wraps and holographic paint come in. These bad boys let you transform your ride with wild colors, intricate designs, and even mind-bending holographic effects. And the best part? They're completely legal and removable. So if you get tired of that chrome blue wrap, just peel it off and try something new. It's like having a whole fleet of cars in one. Plus, wraps can actually protect your car's original paint job. So, you get style and substance. Now, let's talk about giving your car a little extra oomph under the hood. Legally, of course. Cold air intakes are like a breath of fresh air for your engine, literally. They replace your car's restrictive stock air intake system with a less restrictive one, allowing cooler, denser air to reach the engine. This means more power, better throttle response, and sometimes even improved fuel efficiency. Plus, you get that throaty engine growl that'll turn heads wherever you go. And the best part? Cold air intakes are perfectly legal in most cases, as long as they're installed correctly and don't tamper with any emissions equipment. Alright, adventurers and off-road enthusiasts, this one's for you. Light bars are not only practical for illuminating those dark trails, but also add a rugged, aggressive look to any vehicle. And yes, they're legal in most areas, as long as you use them responsibly. Now, I'm not talking about blinding oncoming traffic with the power of 1,000 suns. On public roads, keep those light bars off. But when you're off the beaten path, let those babies rip. They'll light up the night, making off-roading safer and more enjoyable. Just remember to check your local regulations to make sure you're using them within the law. You know what they say, shoes make the man. Just like a great pair of shoes can elevate your outfit, the right set of rims and tires can completely transform your car's appearance and performance. Well, in the car world, it's all about the rims and tires. They are the unsung heroes that not only enhance the aesthetics, but also improve the driving experience. Swapping out your stock wheels for a set of aftermarket beauties is one of the easiest and most effective ways to transform your car's look. It's like giving your car a new pair of shoes that fit perfectly and make a statement. And the options are endless. From classic designs to modern, edgy styles, there's something for every car enthusiast out there. You can choose from a variety of materials, finishes, and sizes to match your vision. You can go for a sleek and sporty look with low-profile tires and multi-spoke rims. These are perfect for those who want to give their car a performance-oriented appearance and improve handling on the road. Or maybe you prefer a rugged, off-road vibe with chunky tires and beadlock wheels. This setup is ideal for adventurers who love to take their vehicles off the beaten path and need durability and traction. The key is to choose a setup that complements your car's style and your personal taste. And the best part, you can mix and match to create a unique look that sets your car apart from the rest. As long as the new rims and tires don't rub against the bodywork or affect your car's handling, you're good to go. It's important to ensure proper fitment and alignment to maintain safety and performance. So whether you're cruising the city streets or tackling rugged trails, the right rims and tires can make all the difference. Investing in aftermarket rims and tires is not just about looks, it's about enhancing your driving experience. With the right choice, you can improve your car's grip, stability, and even fuel efficiency. So, go ahead and give your car the upgrade it deserves. Let's talk about adding some downforce, or at least the appearance of it. Spoilers and wings aren't just for race cars anymore. They can add a sporty, aggressive edge to any car, and yes, they can be completely legal. Now, I'm not talking about those massive adjustable wings you see on track-only monsters. Those are a bit much for the street. But a subtle lip spoiler or a tastefully sized wing can enhance your car's aerodynamics and give it that ready-to-pounce look. Just make sure it doesn't obstruct your rear view or pose a safety hazard. Now, who doesn't love a bit of privacy and shade on a hot day? Tinted windows can give your car a sleek, sophisticated look while keeping the interior cool and protected from those harmful UV rays. But here's the thing. There are laws about how dark you can go. Each state has its own regulations on window tint darkness, so it's crucial to check your local laws before you go too dark. You don't want to end up with a ticket or worse, have to remove your tint. So find that sweet spot between style and legality and enjoy the cool, comfortable ride. Alright, speed demons, this one's for you. Want to unleash the hidden potential of your engine? Performance chips and tuners are like giving your car's brain a software upgrade. They optimize your engine's parameters such as fuel-to-air ratio and ignition timing to squeeze out more horsepower and torque. And the best part? They're completely legal, as long as they don't tamper with your car's emissions control systems. Now, it's important to choose a reputable brand and have the chip or tuner installed by a professional. You don't want to mess with your car's delicate electronics. So there you have it. We've taken you on a thrilling journey through the world of car modifications. 10 insane car mods that are totally legal and can transform your vehicle into a head-turning masterpiece. From underglow that'll make your car glow like a spaceship, lighting up the night with vibrant colors, to performance chips that'll unleash its inner beast, giving you that extra horsepower and speed you crave. There are plenty of ways to make your ride stand out from the crowd without landing in trouble. Imagine cruising down the street, turning heads with your unique modifications. These insane car mods prove you can go big without breaking the law. Whether it's aesthetic enhancements or performance upgrades, the possibilities are endless. Which one would you add to your ride? Maybe a sleek body kit or a roaring exhaust system? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing your thoughts and seeing your own car mod ideas. If you're craving more car inspiration, you're in the right place. Be sure to explore the rest of our videos on Detroit Motor Marvels. From jaw-dropping builds that push the boundaries of creativity to the latest automotive tech that brings the future to your dashboard, we've got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss out on our latest content. We appreciate your support and love for all things automotive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep those engines running and the mods coming.